In the fast-paced world of pharmaceutical manufacturing, precision and efficiency are paramount. Introducing our groundbreaking mixed reality assisted solution, revolutionizing the production line. The power of Yeppar mixed reality. Our workers are equipped with real-time information and guidance right before their eyes. No more flipping through manuals or relying on memory. As our technician approaches the production machine, the HMD provides intuitive, step-by-step instructions, guiding them through the setup and operation process with unparalleled clarity. Adjusting parameters and fine-tuning settings has never been easier. With interactive holographic interfaces, our technicians can make precise adjustments on the fly, ensuring optimal performance. What about potential issues? No problem. The HMD detects anomalies and alerts technicians in real time, allowing them to address issues before they escalate. And in those rare instances when expertise is needed, the HMD connects our technicians with remote subject matter experts in an instant. With live video feeds and collaborative tools, solution just a tap away. Result: a production line that runs smoother, with fewer errors and faster turnaround times. Our Yeppar-assisted solution is not just a tool, it's a game-changer for pharmaceutical manufacturing. The power of augmented reality. Our operators have instant access to critical data and analytics right in their field of view. From equipment performance metrics to predictive maintenance alerts. The Yeppar-assisted solution provides valuable insights to keep operations running smoothly. What sets our Yeppar-assisted solution apart is its proactive approach to downtime prevention by continuously monitoring equipment health and performance. The Yeppar-assisted solution can detect potential issues before they escalate. Join us as we embrace the future of pharmaceutical production with the Yeppar-assisted solution. Together, we're shaping a safer, more efficient, and more reliable manufacturing process for the benefit of all.